What is up, AA Ron? This is Holden. I just wanted to shoot over this video to you, showing you basically those free things that I was talking about. Just some things that I think will set a good platform for you to start getting some more traffic to your business. Getting found in the search results online. And I know you don't have a website right now, but this is something you can do once you do get a website. And I'm going to show you some things also that you can do without having a website to get some traffic to your business. And a lot of times people don't realize this. I'm sure you do, but if you're not getting found in the search results, you're likely missing out on a lot of customers that are out there looking for you. So I just want to show you these things, and you can implement them yourself. They're totally free, and I'm pretty confident that if you make these changes, you'll start seeing some more traffic to your business. So let's jump right in, man. When it comes to Google optimization, the first thing Google looks at is content. They want to see about 1,500 words of content alone on your homepage just to be optimized. This guy right here, he's the first one that comes up in the search results when I type in kitchen and bathroom in Crofton, Bowen Remodeling. You can see him right here. Now, when it comes to this guy's page, like I said, when it comes to optimization, the first thing Google looks at is content. They want to see 1,500 words, right, alone. Now, I have this free tool. It's called SEO Quake. It just pulls some metrics off of someone's page. But as you can see here, this guy only has about 438 words of content on his homepage, which falls short significantly of that 1,500 that Google really likes. So if you're able to just create a website and throw 1,500 words up on the homepage, you'd be beating that guy out just in that fashion. Now, the next thing as far as content goes is something called keywords. Keywords are basically anything that someone searches for up in the search bar to find you. Kitchen and bathroom Crofton, bathroom remodeling Crofton, whatever the services are that you provide, you need to include those specific keywords into the content on your homepage. So Google can match what people are searching for with the most relevant content out there, right? And that means including those on your homepage. You can actually see in SEO Quake, and like I said, this is a free tool, what keywords this guy is using and how often he uses them here. And you can just copy and put those in yours and go for some other ones. It's just a good idea of where to find some keywords. Now, the next thing I want to show you is this called the Google Map Pack. And this almost gets as much traffic, if not more, than a website, because this is the first thing that pops up in the search results when you search something. It's basically a proximity locator. So, when someone searches in your area for your services, this thing pops up and all the local businesses within proximity pull up on this. Now, to get up in the top of this map pack, what you need to do is get a Google My Business account and then add your name, address, and phone number to as many directories as possible. That's things like Yellow Pages, Facebook, and Yelp, right? The more of these things you have, the better. And you just want to make sure that you have more than your competition, and that'll start boosting you up in these search results. Also, reviews help quite a bit. Down here, this is called the organic area. This is where about 70% of the people will click on when they search something up in the search bar. Not many people go to the second, third, fourth, fifth page of Google. I'm sure you don't. I definitely don't. So to get in this organic area, what you need to do is look at Google like it's a popularity contest, basically. There's these things out there called backlinks, which are basically popularity votes. The more of these backlinks you have, which are links linking from one website to your website in that direction, the more powerful and authoritative your website seems to Google. So you want to go out and get as many of these backlinks as possible by just reaching out to different businesses, companies, and seeing if you can get a link from their website to your website. And you don't want to get backlinks from websites that have nothing to do with your industry. Not all links are created equal. You can't just go get a backlink from a Pizza Hut and link it to your remodeling business. Google will know the difference and they'll deduct you points. This over here is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It's probably the most powerful tool in my industry to seeing, what's going on with someone's website as far as the traffic that they're getting, why they're getting that much traffic, and some ways that we can fix it, right? It's just kind of a troubleshooting tool. But this is this Bowen Remodeling's website, and you can see they get found every month. Their homepage gets found 116 times, so they get 116 people to their website a month, and then they have 607 keywords that people are searching for. And they have 126 of those websites linking back to their website. And this over here kind of shows me the quantity of those websites. So our quantity of those backlinks, and this shows me the quality of those backlinks. So when I said that you can't get a pizza shop linked to your website, this guy probably has a lot of bad backlinks or backlinks that are not relative to his industry, which is causing his domain rank score to be a little low as far as quality. Now, if you click on this, we can see what keywords this guy's ranking for. I just want to show you a few. Let's see if I can pick up some that would be relevant to you. Crofton products. No, I thought I saw one up here. bathroom remodeling in Annapolis, Maryland. So as you can see, this keyword, this specific term, gets searched 50 times a month, and it's a difficulty ranking of 1, which means it's very low competition, and that he is in the 9th place. So he's at the very bottom of the first page of Google. When people search this, this guy pops up in the number 9th spot. So this would be a good keyword to target. Like I said, 50 people search this a month, and it's super easy to rank for. Let's see if we can find some other ones. Um, you basically want to find the ones that have a tail end of your city, so you can know how many people are actually searching for that specific thing in your city. Here's cabinet refacing Maryland. That's a 50 volume 3, and he's on the second page, at the very end of the second page for that. Kitchen remodeling Bowie, 30 people search this a month, 0 difficulty, and he's on the second page of Google for that. So all 3 of those would probably be really good keywords for you to take a look at and try and rank for. Just because there's high volume, not a lot of difficulty, it's easy to rank for, and you can easily get to the first page of Google just by doing those 3 things that I mentioned to you. And those are, first off, getting your website going, adding in 1,500 words of content at least, and then those keywords that people are searching for. And then additionally, to get in the map pack, you want to make sure you get your Google My Business, add your name, address, and phone number into as many directories as possible. And then finally, you want to make sure that you're going out and getting those backlinks from websites that are relative to your industry and not super spammy, right? So, hey, man, I hope this was helpful. And like I said, if you want to chat some more, I'm happy to share some information with you. Just hit me up, dude, and we can talk. But I'm stoked that you started your own business, and I wish you the best, brother. I hope it's super successful. So take it easy, and I will talk to you later. Have a good one.